Good, messy, mucky, flooded Monday. Welcome to June 1st, 2015 for GardenStateWeather.com and GardenStateWeather.blogspot.com. I'm forecaster Robert Smith with the daily video forecast discussion, and it's not a good one. Yesterday's storm reports from late afternoon into the evening and overnight hours. Lots of flooding here in northeastern New Jersey. We've had over almost 4 inches of rain in parts of Newark. All of this in the low-lying areas here in the New Jersey, New York City metropolitan area, focused on very heavy rainfall, and as a result of that, quite a bit of stranded cars, vehicles stranded in the water, a lot of water rescues going on. We had hail, lots of lightning in these thunderstorms yesterday too, the heaviest, very heavy downpours. And we had structural tree damage with downed trees and wind reports here in Pennsylvania, and also reports of flooding and hail as these thunderstorms propagated and made their way through the region. Watches, warnings, and advisories, small craft advisories on the south shore and east ends of Long Island for winds out of the southeast at 10 to 20 knots, gust up to 25 knots, seas 3 to 5 feet. The big story here is everything that's in the green boxes here. This is all flash flood watches, which are in effect for the entire forecast region, and this forecast region will include, we can do this, the flash flood watch is in effect from noon today through the evening hours. Again, portions of southeastern Pennsylvania, northern and central southern New Jersey, northern Delaware, northern Maryland. Showers and thunderstorms will develop again this afternoon and are expected to produce excessive short duration rainfall, possibly as much as 2 inches in an hour in some areas. And if these amounts of rain materialize, dangerous street and highway flooding could occur. Already we're seeing some cells here develop across northeastern New Jersey. These are thunderstorms with a very heavy rainfall, echo tops up to about 9,000, 10,000 feet here. We don't see any lightning in these storms yet, but there has been some indication of some of that on Doppler. Doppler radar estimates across northeastern New Jersey, the New York City metropolitan area over the last 24 hours. Wow, just an incredible amount of rain. Anywhere from 2 to locally 5 inches of rain has fallen across portions of this region. There goes your drought. Visible satellite view this morning, shrouded in clouds, low clouds, fog, and drizzle across the region, even showers beginning to build up again to our west. We're seeing some of these in northern New Jersey right now, and they're moving rapidly to the northeast. These are thunderstorms developing here. The other thunderstorms moving off the coast. It's going to be an area today where we're going to have to watch for additional heavy rain showers and thunderstorms across the region as the front is draped just through central New Jersey and off the coastline here, with more waves and rounds of rain on the way. Storm Prediction Center has placed all of northeastern New Jersey, the New York City metropolitan area, western Long Island, all the way down through central and southern New Jersey, the I-95 corridor in Philadelphia. All of this area here is in a marginal risk for severe storms during today. Morning surface chart from WeatherOnoke.com and Digital Atmosphere shows the one wave of low pressure that has moved off the coast. Additional showers and thunderstorms on a northeast wind flow now. Here's the front stalled out. Winds are converging from the south of the front and converging from the north on the north side of the front. So this line where this front lies here, we're going to have a lot of moisture moving in over the next couple of hours into the late afternoon and evening, and the latest short-range modeling indicates that more moderate to heavy rain is going to be focused in this area right from New York City south through central and portions of southern New Jersey during the afternoon. Cold front's going to be slow to make it through the region, probably not going to do so until sometime later tomorrow, and then beautiful high pressure will dry us out for the middle of the week, but we've got much more rain on the way. Obviously, today is not a good beach day, especially in central and northern portions of the coastal waters. Cloudy skies, showers, and thunderstorms. Temperatures will be in the mid-60s, and it feels raw outside, too. Southeast winds at around 10. Surf at around 3 feet. Surf temperature 62. UVI index today is high at 6. Rip current risk is moderate. A moderate risk of rip currents means wind and or wave conditions support strong and more frequent rip currents. Always have a flotation device in the water. Swim only in lifeguarded areas. Lightning threat high today implies that thunderstorms are likely and expected. The next high tide at Belmar already occurred at 7:01. Low tide will be at 1 p.m. this afternoon. The next high tide at Belmar will be at 7:20 this evening. Morning surface observation shows where the front is. It's stalled out through central and southeastern Pennsylvania, central New Jersey here. All the winds are from the northeast as the air mass is now over marine air mass with temperatures that are raw, with lots of fog and drizzle around the region. Temperatures in the mid 50s to lower 60s to the north of the front. And look at this, to the south of the front, Atlantic City is already up to 72, Millville 74, and Dover, Delaware in the unstable air mass 78 degrees. Quite a contrast this morning as well. Off the 6C run of the NAM, the future forecast of Doppler radar reflectivity, look for showers and thunderstorms to once again begin to move in from the west. Now, these showers and thunderstorms will have very heavy rainfall, lightning, and also wind damage with these as they populate and progress through the northern New Jersey, New York City metropolitan area, central and southern New Jersey, the I-95 Philadelphia corridor. This is where the problems start from the mid to the late afternoon, and that's where more flooding concerns will be realized as this area of low pressure then along the frontal boundary begins to move off the coast. So we get a little break in the clearing, but don't expect the cold front to come through. More rounds of showers and thunderstorms will be moving into the region again tomorrow before the entire thing slides off to the coast. We're going to be covering everything live in our live drop-down box menu there on Facebook for Garden State Weather. And of course, we'll be doing live Twitter feeds as well throughout the day. We're not going to focus on the extended forecast at this time because we're just going to focus on the weather that's occurring right now. I have a busy Monday as well. So for everything live, it's GardenStateWeather.com, GardenStateWeather.blogspot.com, Twitter, Facebook, and Google+. I'm forecaster Robert Smith. Be safe out there today, and we'll see you online on Facebook, Twitter, and Google+.